Salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today. This is a new series that I want to do on the channel. This is for everyone that loves thrifting, even if you're just like thrifting for fun on the weekends, if you're a novice thrifter reseller, a professional reseller. I feel like from this series, everyone can learn a little bit of something and maybe learn some new things along the way for treasures you can find in the future. So I'm very excited about it. This series is going to focus on my favorite, and I think, in my opinion at least, my best thrift finds. I'm covering in this video 2019, though I feel like I might have missed some items. I know a lot of you guys have some really great memories, so if you guys remember anything that I have found that I did not mention in this video, comment down below in the description box. And I'm going to be doing, after this, I'm going to be doing one for each month of the year, and then probably like a best of the year at the end. So I'm really excited because I love just thinking about how amazing the finds are that you can see at the thrift store. And my other favorite thing is to see how much of a savings you can get. So I'm going to show you guys all the numbers and stuff for how much I spent on each item, the retail value of the item, how much we saved, and all that fun stuff. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty interesting video, I think. I love videos like this and hope you guys do too. So if you guys do like these kinds of videos, give this video a big thumbs up, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe so you'll be updated when more of this series goes up. So, let me start off. So 2019 was a pretty good year for me, and I feel like, again, like I said, a lot of these things are just things that I found towards the end of the year and that are still fresh in my memory. Let me start off with some of these things behind me. So this first thing, let's grab this right here. So this is a beautiful Dior Camera Bag style bag in a kind of like a metallic pewter colored leather with like matching hardware. It's super, super cool. I actually remember I thrifted this from the Goodwill Marketplace in Santa Ana, and I was super duper excited when I found it. And this bag is so gorgeous. I love the weight of it. It's very substantial. I have my notes in here, so if I'm like looking over there, it's because I have my iPad with my notes. This bag I got for $25, and believe it or not, this bag retailed for $1,500. So we got a savings of 98.3% off the original price. So that is amazing. This bag is so gorgeous. I actually have been using this as a camera bag. It's a great size, and I just love everything about it. Beautiful, stunning. You can see like on the hardware it says Dior right here. It's not like the most obviously Dior bag, which I actually really like about it. It's not like a very it's not like the Lady Dior or any of the like Diorama or the Dior bags or anything like that. Though it kind of does have a nod to that with like the stitching. I feel like it's like a, what's the word? It's kind of like the Dior like stitching that they do, but like kind of like taken apart. I don't know, it's kind of cool. I really like this bag. Beautiful. Again, this one was $25 and retail $1,500. Crazy. So that is insane for this bag. Then next thing I have here, I have these really awesome Gucci loafers, and these are in a brown suede. They were like heavily stained, especially this shoe when I first got them. Luckily they cleaned up like a dream. There's a little bit of like the marks remaining, but you really can't tell anymore. And I just love these. I wear these all the time. These I got for $1,500, and these shoes and shoes similar run about $900 retail. So on these we saved, again, 98.3%. That's crazy. That's kind of like our magic number percentage, 98.3. But I just love these. I still have like the sticker right there. I couldn't get it all off on the sole of the shoe. Probably shouldn't have been wearing them while the sticker was still on. I should have taken them off first. But I have like a problem taking off Goodwill stickers on things, especially when I think that's like such a good deal. But then I was like, ooh, wait, I should take this off because it's gonna like stay here forever, and I already kind of did. So, but regardless, I love these shoes so much. Gucci. These are like, I actually found another pair of these, but I started repairing them, and like now I don't know where I put them when I was like cleaning up. So, but I have another pair of these also in black, and I believe I also got those for $50, but I didn't put those in this video because they're not with me at the moment. Let me tell you guys about two other items too that I actually do not have here either, since we're talking about those. But I included them in this list because I actually sold them, and what I love about thrifting and being able to resell items that you thrift is that you can pay for your hobby. It's like a self-sustaining thing, especially if you can get really into it. I think it's a lot of fun, and you can learn a lot along the way as well. So the first thing I have is a Monsieur Gabrielle bag. I'm gonna insert the photo here somewhere as well. If I can remember to do that, I will. The Monsieur Gabrielle was a black Monsieur Gabrielle bag with the red flamenco lining. I believe is the color flamenco. I can't remember the name of the red. But it has a red lining. I think I found it around the same time or on the actually same day, maybe, perhaps, that I found that Dior bag. And that bag only cost me $5, and it was a handbag rehab that I did as well, so I'm going to have it linked if you guys want to see the handbag rehab. But it was retails for $675. I sold that, and that bag actually, when I resold it, covered the price of everything that I'm showing you guys in this video. So the monetary value that I used to purchase all these items, I was able to make back by selling that Monsieur Gabrielle bag, and actually made a little bit more as well, if I remember correctly. And then the second item was a Parenza Schooler PS1 pouch bag. That one I got from Goodwill Boutique, and that one I purchased for the price of $15, and that one retails for $945. That one we got a 98.4% savings, and for that Monsieur Gabrielle bag we got 99.3% savings. So that was crazy. Resold that one as well, and actually that one I resold and could have probably rebought everything in this video like 3 or 4 times over with the amount that I sold it for. So that was amazing. So though, again, I'm gonna have those 2 items shown right there as well, so you guys can check those out. But that just goes to show you that you can find some amazing things at the thrift, which is what I think this whole video, this whole channel is on, is the amazing things you can get at the thrift stores. Be it you're just using it for your own, like for yourself and your family, or if you're going to be reselling or you sell part-time or anything like that. I feel like hopefully this channel can teach you guys a little bit of what I know, and because I learned so much from you guys, just from your comments and you guys sending me messages, and just from watching other YouTubers and thrifters out there. You guys are so amazing, and I feel like we can just share all this knowledge because there is so much stuff out there to be found, and it just excites me to see what we can find every day. So next thing I have here is another pair of shoes. This one is probably my favorite pair of shoes that I've ever found, and these are these Louis Vuitton shoes. They are in like the damier embossed print with the silver hardware. Oh my gosh, these shoes are so gorgeous. They are so comfortable as well. I got these shoes for $20, and these retail for $1,024. So we got a savings of 98% on these Louis Vuitton shoes. They are so amazing. They were actually brand new when I got them, but I have actually like worn them like a lot already, and they kind of have like a little bit of wear now on the bottoms, which makes me a little sad. But I mean, they're shoes, they're meant to be worn, and I got them for only $20, but now like I'm trying to take way better care of them and not wearing them as much. But I really love these shoes so much. They are super duper cool. So fantastic. Okay, and then another pair of shoes, since I'm like on a shoe kick right now. And these I got at the very end of 2019. Probably like the last like week or two in December, and it is these they're these Givenchy boots. Beautiful. I love this, like the hardware on these. Gorgeous. They're like elevated pilgrim shoes almost. Like I feel like they're super duper cool. I love the buckles. They're so fun. These I got for $20, and these retail for $1,126. So we saved 98.2%. How crazy is that? And these boots are in such great condition. There's very little wear on them at all. They still look fantastic, and they're actually in the shop if anyone is interested in those boots. They are beautiful. I love them so much. Okay, then with the stuff that's behind me, let me start off with this thing. So this was a super duper cool find. It is a beautiful Chanel scarf in pink with this really cool like boat motif. I love this scarf so much. It is so soft. First time I found like a really gorgeous, first time I've thrifted a Chanel scarf before. All the other Chanel scarves that I have found are not actually authentic, but this one luckily was authentic, or is authentic. This one I paid $4 for. I couldn't find the exact price of this exact scarf, but scarves of this size and color and stuff, the price ranges from $600 to $900, so we saved between 99.3 to 99.6% because this was only $4. $4, which is amazing. This scarf is so pretty too. You can use it to accent your bag. You can wear it around your neck and tie it. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna wear it like this. I feel like what are those like cute little grandmas? What are they called? Anyway, so yeah, this scarf, I cannot believe that I found this for $4 at the Goodwill. I almost had a heart attack. So this was very exciting. I actually had the sticker on here for a while, but the sticker doesn't stick very well to the silk, and I just lost it. So I don't know where it went. So I'm very sad about that. But I love this scarf. I don't know why I keep looking over there. This scarf is so cool, and I cannot believe this was at the Goodwill. So also, all these things that I'm showing you guys, I purchased all of these items from the Goodwill. I didn't want to do any items from like those buy sell trade stores or anything like that. These have been donated to the Goodwill, and I am showing you guys here what I found, and I cannot believe it. So very happy with the scarf. The next thing I have here is one of my favorite bags ever, and I was so happy when I found this bag, because this bag has been on my radar for quite some time, and it is one of my most treasured like thrift finds, I think. And I didn't own any bags from this like brand until I was able to find this one at the Goodwill, and then after that I actually purchased like 5 more, I think. It's crazy. It's just like the bag that launched my like addiction to this brand. So this is a Loewe puzzle bag in brown, and this bag I got for the low price of, do you guys remember this bag when I found it? $7. So I got this bag for $7. It is crazy the price that I paid for this, because this bag actually retails for $2,900. So $2,900, which is crazy. So when we got this, we saved 99.8% on this bag. It is intense. That like pretty much everything that I showed you guys in this video, we saved 98% or more, which is nuts. So Loewe, again, one of my favorite brands. Whenever you find like luxury designer items like this, You can definitely have, like, I have had everything authenticated. I have a really good friend, if you guys want to go check him out. His name is Free Range Birkin. He is awesome. His prices are really, really great. You can hit him up for authentication. And then there's also great companies like Entropy that authenticate. And then there's Real Authentication as well. So there's lots of like authenticating companies out there that you can go to get things authenticated. But I'm still in shock and in awe that I was able to get this puzzle bag. It is so beautiful. The leather is so soft. It's just stunning. I'm just so excited about this. So here it is, my Loewe puzzle bag. And then I think, okay, is that it? Okay, last but not least is this Hermes blanket. So this is the baby Hermes blanket. It's in pink. This guy, if you guys remember, I actually like did wash it with the help of Mom. Oh my gosh, it matches the scarf. Ding! Look ridiculous. That blanket I actually purchased from the Goodwill outlet, and if you guys are familiar with the Goodwill outlet, everything is by the pound. And I think this was probably around, I want to say $4, give or take, whatever the weight is. And the baby blanket, the Hermes Avalon baby blanket, is sold on Hermes.com for $980, which is crazy. So for that one, we saved 99.6% because we got it for $4. So that is going to be the end of the video. Oh, but let me give you guys the stats, okay? So for everything that I talked about in this video, we spent $115. So that's all together with all the Goodwill price tags. Luckily, none of the Goodwill doesn't do tax, so everything was tax-free. And then if I tally up all of the retail prices for everything that we purchased, if we purchased all these things new in a retail store, it came out to $10,650. It is crazy. So we spent $115 on $10,650 worth of stuff when it was in retail stores, which is nuts. That is crazy. That is a savings of 99%. I think if you do decimals, it's 98.9%. So that is crazy. That is intense. That is a lot. But I cannot believe I loved like crunching the numbers and doing the math and like looking at all the price tags of the items as they were retail and how much we got them for at the thrift store, because you cannot believe the crazy things that you can find at thrift stores. It's amazing, and that is why I love it so much. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned some stuff. Hope you guys had fun. Let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently at the thrift stores as well, because I always love hearing about your finds. Comment down below what your best thrift find was of 2019, and maybe you'll be featured in the next video. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's new video, bright and early at 7 a.m. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye! Ooh, they have some MacBook Pro right here for $189.99. That's actually not bad. Then there's a computer right there. We have some more right here.